How to backtest on TradingView. So first of all, you have to download this TradingView application or just view their, TradingView website. Now here, launch the application here and navigate to the charts of the financial instrument you want to test. You can search for specific assets such as, for example, let's say I want to go and check for the Nifty here. So I will just go and open it up. You can also open regarding the cryptocurrencies, forex pair, and stocks, commodities, whatever you want, right? Now tap on the chart to bring up the option. Look for the bar reply icon, typically located in the toolbar at the top of the screen. These features allow you to simulate past market movements as if they were happening live. Once in bar reply mode, scroll down to the date where you want your backtesting to begin. Tap on the chart to see your starting position for the replay. Clear link outlining your trading strategy, including entry and exit point, stop loss label, and any indicators you plan to use. Make sure you know how your strategy perform under different market conditions. As you play through historical data, bar by bar, apply your strategy rules to determine when to enter or exit trades. Document each trade outcomes, including entry, exit prices, and result. This is it. Thanks for watching.